Hey everyone. Hi. My name is John,
Hi, I'm Emma.
and we're really happy you're here today.
Yes, thank you so much for watching.
So, Emma, how is your morning going so far?
Hmm, it's going pretty well. I woke up a little tired, but I had coffee, so now I feel better.
Coffee always helps.
Always. How about you?
My morning is okay. It's calm. I like calm mornings. I made some eggs and I listen to music.
Oh, that sounds nice. What kind of music?
Slow music. Nothing loud. I like to wake up slowly.
Same here. Loud music in the morning is too much for me.
Yeah.
So today we're going to talk about something very important.
Yes. Something we all do.
And sometimes something that feels a little scary.
Yes, that's true.
Today's topic is introducing yourself to someone new.
Meeting new people.
Saying hi for the first time.
And not knowing what to say next.
Yes, that feeling.
I know it very well.
Before we start, I want to say something.
Okay.
If you feel shy when you meet new people, that's normal.
Very normal.
Even adults feel shy.
Even people who talk a lot.
Yes. So don't worry.
We're here to help you feel more comfortable.
Okay, let's start slowly.
Very slowly.
First, let's talk about ourselves a little more.
Sounds good.
Like we said, my name is Emma.
And my name is John.
I'm from the United States.
Me too.
I live in a small city.
I live in a bigger city.
I like reading, walking, and talking with friends.
I like cooking, watching movies, and learning new things.
See? That was easy.
Yes, we're already introducing ourselves.
Exactly.
So let's imagine something.
Okay.
Imagine you meet someone new,
Maybe at work
or at school,
or at a party.
or even online.
You see the person,
You feel a little nervous,
your heart beats a bit faster.
and you think, what do I say?
Yes, that moment.
That exact moment.
So let's talk about the first step.
The first step is very simple.
You say, hello,
Just hello,
or hi.
or hey.
That's it.
You don't need big words.
For example,
Hi.
hi, smiles,
See?
easy.
After hi, you can say your name.
Yes, your name is very important.
You can say, my name is John,
Or I'm Emma.
short and simple.
You don't need to explain everything.
Let's do a small example.
Okay.
Hi, my name is John.
Hi, John. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Smiles.
That's it.
Yes, that's a full introduction.
Some people think it has to be long.
But it doesn't.
Short is okay.
Simple is okay.
Now, let's talk about nice to meet you.
Ah, yes.
When someone tells you their name
You can say, nice to meet you.
or nice meeting you,
Both are good.
and you can smile.
Smiling helps a lot.
It makes you look friendly.
And feel friendly, too.
Yes,
Now, after names, what comes next?
good question.
Sometimes, nothing.
And that's okay.
You can stop there.
You can just say hello and smile.
But
If you want to talk more,
you can ask a simple question,
a very simple one.
like, how are you?
Yes, that's a classic.
How are you?
Almost everyone knows this question.
And the answers are easy.
I'm good.
I'm fine.
I'm okay.
You don't need a long story.
Not at the beginning.
Let's try again.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well.
Smiles.
That's a very normal conversation.
Very normal.
You can use this almost anywhere.
Work, school, shops, parties.
Now, I want to share a small story.
Oh, I like stories.
Me too.
Go ahead.
When I was younger, I was very shy.
Really?
Yes, very shy.
That's hard to imagine.
I know, but it's true.
Okay.
One day, I started a new job.
New jobs are scary.
Very scary.
New people, new place.
Yes. On my first day, I met a coworker.
Uh-oh.
She smiled at me and said, "Hi, I'm Sarah."
And what did you do?
Pause. I forgot how to talk.
Oh, no.
I just said, "Hi,"
That's okay.
but I didn't say my name.
Ah,
There was silence.
awkward silence.
Very awkward.
Yes.
Then she said, "What's your name?"
She helped you.
Yes. And I said, "I'm Emma."
And everything was fine.
Yes. After that, we talked more.
So even if you forget, it's okay.
Exactly. People are usually kind.
They understand.
That's important to remember.
Very important.
Now, let's talk about another simple thing.
Okay.
Where you from?
Ah, yes.
After names, people often ask, "Where are you from?"
This is a very common question.
And the answer can be short. "I'm from Mexico."
I'm from Brazil.
"I'm from the US."
Or I'm from a small town.
Yes.
You don't need to say everything.
Just a little is fine.
Let's try it.
Okay.
Hi, my name is John.
Hi, John. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from the US.
Oh, nice.
Simple.
Very simple.
Now, sometimes people feel nervous about their accent.
Yes, that's very common.
I want to say something important.
Me too.
Your accent is okay.
Yes.
It shows you speak more than one language.
That's something to be proud of.
People care more about kindness than perfect English.
Exactly.
If someone doesn't understand,
You can repeat slowly.
or say it another way.
That's normal.
Now, let's talk about small talk.
Ah, small talk.
Small talk is short, friendly conversation.
Not deep. Not serious.
Just light.
Easy.
For example, the weather.
The weather is very popular.
It's hot today.
Yes, very hot.
Or it's cold.
I like cold weather.
Or I don't like cold weather. Another easy topic is work or study.
Yes.
What do you do?
Or do you work or study?
The answer can be simple.
I'm a student.
I work in an office.
That's enough.
You can add more later.
Let's do one more example.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What do you do?
I work in an office. How about you?
I'm a student.
Oh, nice.
See?
Natural.
Now, what if you feel very nervous?
That happens.
Your mind goes blank.
You don't know what to say.
That's okay.
You can pause.
You can smile.
You can say, "Sorry, I'm a little nervous."
That's honest.
Most people will smile back.
They understand.
I've done that before.
Me too. Really?
Yes, even now. Talking is easier with practice.
That's true.
The more you do it, the easier it gets.
So practice is important.
Very important.
You can practice at home
In front of a mirror,
or with a friend.
or even alone.
Say your name.
Say hi
Say, "Nice to meet you."
again and again.
It helps your brain.
And your confidence.
Now, let's talk about body language.
Oh, yes.
Body language is how you move.
Your face, your hands.
When you introduce yourself,
Try to stand up straight.
look at the person.
You don't need to stare.
Just a gentle look.
And smile.
A small smile is enough.
You don't need a big smile.
And if you're shy,
That's okay too.
people can feel kindness, even without many words.
I like that.
Me too.
Now, let's talk about ending an introduction.
Ah, yes.
You don't need to talk forever.
You can end politely.
For example, it was nice meeting you.
Or, nice talking to you.
And then you can go.
That's normal.
Very normal.
Let's try one last full example.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. Well, it was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. Bye.
Bye.
Smiles. That's it.
That's a full